in my soul, me, no hesitate, tell you what you want.
Guys, it's Keandra and I'm back with another video. And this video is going to be how I do a very versatile individual looking faux locks that has the individual look all around, so I can wear it up in a ponytail, and that way I don't have to plait my real hair and leave it out. So as you can see, my hair is blowed out. I just washed it, but right now I am just sectioning out the individual parts. If you've watched any of my other crochet, braid, passion twist videos, you know that I always just leave the front out and leave the back out, and then I cornrow the middle. So that's what I'm going to do, except for the only difference this time is that in the back I'm going to do different squares for that individual look instead of just cornrowing it, which I think I do that anyways on my passion twist video, but I'm gonna connect all of the braids so it's like one big cornrow individual look. It's really hard to explain, so I'm just gonna be quiet and let you guys watch, and yeah, I'll be back. As you can see, I did the perimeter around my head, and then I'm going to go up towards the middle and cornrow it like normal. And this should be what it looks like. I can't braid the best, but it gets the job done. So I was sent this hair to review by YOUNGTHER Hair. It's a Amazon hair company, and they sent me these 18-inch new lock crochet locks. They're kind of like a wavy or whatever. As you can see, I've already crocheted the back, and so it kind of hides that braid. And now I'm just going to show you guys how I do the front. It's pretty easy. Basically everywhere where you have a rubber band, that's where you're going to crochet the lock. Also, I went ahead and added some passion twist hair, which you'll see me do later on. But it's super duper easy, like self-explanatory. That's just a little bit of my hair sticking out. But yeah, just continue to watch, and then I'll be back at the end with the final results. the final look of my faux locks. I've had them in a bun. I would take them down for you guys, but it took a lot to put it off in this bun. But yeah, this is what it looks like with the individuals in the front, and then this is what the back looks like. Don't mind my psoriasis, it's acting up. And then I just crocheted some little curly pieces right here. It's like little sideburns, but that's basically it. Hopefully you guys like this video. It didn't take long at all, probably maybe like 2 hours. The braiding part took like an hour, and then installing them took like another hour. So it's about a 2-hour hairstyle. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep these up because y'all know I change my hair often, but it's super cute. My sister likes it. And yeah, I also have some more curly pieces like crocheted in the hair that I may, you know, pull out. But for the most part, I just added some little jewels. And yeah, this is what we are rocking with. So this is pretty much it. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.